Welcome back. Grab your dandiya sticks and move to the tunes of dandiya bits. Navratri, the 9-day festival, is on in the state. With zest of music and glittering lights, people were seen grooving. Many clubs organized dandiya night in Ponda and Vasco. Here are some of the glimpses.
आमका अभिमान आसपाक जाय की आमचे न्यू वाड्यांचे भुरगे आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे भुरगे एदी व्हडली स्पर्धा घडोवन हाडटा म्हूण
ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आम्ही हांगसर पंचायत खांडेपार पंचायत क्षेत्रातील सगळे मर्यादित लोकां खातीर विविध स्पर्धा आम्ही घेता हांगसर तरेतरेचे मेहंदी स्पर्धा आणि केश रचना स्पर्धा रांगोळी स्पर्धा खूपशे अशी स्पर्धा घेता आम्ही 8 दिसा आम्ही फुल प्रत्येक वेळा आम्ही हांगसर स्पर्धेचे हांगसर आयोजन केल्ले असता.
I'm just a lover of art and there are no limits to art. These words were articulated by Professor Gopal Rao Mayekar. He was awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award at Spandan and Art Celebration. Sandandre MLA Vishnu Wag expressed his views at the event and said art unites the mankind despite of divergences.
Spandan and Art Celebration is underway at ESG. Sant Andre MLA Vishnu Wag awarded Gopal Rao Mayekar with Lifetime Achievement Award.
I'm just a lover of art. And there are no limits to my loving art because I almost like all arts, visual as well as performing arts. So I was very happy to see today that Mr. Anant Vikas ji today made it the point to bring so many arts together on the same platform.
Different organizations were also awarded for their contribution towards art and culture.
Human being is divided by so many things. There are so many dividing forces. Sometimes we are divided over religions. Sometimes we are divided over caste. Sometimes we are divided over languages. Sometimes we are divided over regions. There are so many egos, so many ethos, so many things which separate us from each other. But there's only one thing that unites the whole mankind, and that is art.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Indian men's hockey team beat South Korea by a solitary goal to enter the final at Asian Games. This is the first time since 2002 that the Indian men's hockey team put themselves in the gold medal contest. Vikas Gowda clinched silver medal in the men's discus throw to take India's silver count to 8 on the 11th day of the Games. Mary Kom entered the final in boxing but a shock result of a compatriot Sarita Devi Sardati.
And with them in easy possession in their back third, the substitutions happen, and here is Sardar, presented with a little bit of room. He's got a player to his left in Barendra. And it's off a Korean stick, so it'll be a Indian possession. Sunil under pressure in the corner, plays on quickly. They're really upping the tempo here, but Korea are going with them. And this third quarter has whizzed by. There's only 90 seconds left. I don't know where the time went. Manpreet into the circle. Oh, he scored! Oh, what a cheeky goal. What a cheeky goal. Akash deep. Dug deep. That is one of the goals of the tournament. To Korea. They've got 20 seconds. That's enough. They've got to be clever though. And that wasn't clever. Can Rupinder Pal. 5 seconds left. It's going to be a victory for India. They're into the gold medal game.
Commonwealth Games champion. In 2014 he's had a big year. Sails over 60 metres, 59.52 in his opening round. Ishan Haddadi, the champion of the Asian Games, 65.11. Vikas Gowda, the silver medal.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.